The sun was high, boots were dry, till two Labradors caught my eye. Calypso grinned with that devilish spark, said, "Come on, kid, let's leave our mark." Captain watched, then dove right in. That mud hole never had a chance to win. We were spinning and sliding